Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alexander, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you all had a wonderful trading day and you're all ready to analyze this pretty chart here with me. So let's get started. Wow, look at this. Remember as we talked about this high of yesterday at the 54.74 mark, and I wanted you to put this little trend line on your chart, and look what happened. We couldn't even make it this high. We were trying to go higher, but then we were pulling back down and we formed this little doji on our daily chart, which is indicating indecision at this moment. So we are in indecision mode right now at this point in time. And look at this. Look what we're hitting right here. Right now, we are at a major area of resistance right here at this moment. And check this out. Look how perfect that hit was. We were going up, 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 and boom, we hit it and pull back down. And we never got all the way back up to that high. We closed below it. We closed the day lower, actually. And we formed this low doji. So what we need to do here tomorrow, we'll need to watch the low of today, which is at the 54.23 mark. 54.23, as well as that low right here, this low area of support that we have drawn here on our chart, the 54.16. That would be even more important here to watch. Because why it's more important here? Check this out. Because we are also sitting right at the 8 simple moving average right there. And we're hitting it, and we're just hitting it at the same place as we're hitting that lower area of support. That's why it's very important, even more important than the low of today. So that's what we need to pay really close attention to tomorrow, as well as the high of today, which is sitting right at this upper area of resistance that we hit and we can break through, which is at around the high of today was the 54.62. And what else could be happening here? We could be putting on a high base, another high base. So if we're about to go higher, we'll first of all need to break through that high of yesterday, which was at the 54.74 mark, and we still have that little trend line put on our chart. So we need to watch it just in case if we wanted to head back up. And what else do we see here? There's another thing happening in here. Are we putting on another rising wedge formation on our daily chart? It looks like we are. So it seems like it is more bearish than bullish. This rising wedge formation is more bearish than bullish. So pay close attention to this and keep that in mind. And we could just pull back down to that lower area of support right here, and then we could bounce all the way up again to that higher area of resistance that I showed you here today. So pay real close attention to all of the major areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also pay close attention to the MACD and look for a confirmation. That's the only thing I want you to do. Just always look for a confirmation with the MACD, whatever you're going to do. And look at this. The MACD is still flat, so it's not giving us anything at this point in time, in this moment. So pay really close attention to it and see what happens. If we're about to head back south, we'll need to see the MACD crossing over to the downside. So that's what you will need to look for. And look at this. We have an increase in volume right here while we're putting on this low doji. Does that mean that we are putting on a high? Could be. That's why you really need to pay attention to all major areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also pay really close attention to the MACD. Hope it helps you, and have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.